how's it going? It's Lana here, and today, as you can see by the title, I'm giving you guys some spring / summer hairstyles. Just want to know, what's the weather like where you are? Does it feel like spring? Is it sunny? If it is, please tell me in the comments, because I can't remember what sunshine feels like.
This is the current situation. I can't see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die.
Is it snowing where you are? Hopefully through this video I can give you guys some springtime feeling. We're gonna bring back the sunshine, we're gonna bring back the summer me. We're also gonna bring back some floral accessories. I was rummaging through my mum's craft cupboard to get these accessories for you guys, so I really hope you like them. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing shout outs on my channel. You need to be following me on Instagram to know when the shout out window opens and to know the shout out rules. So today I'm giving shout outs to Vibe with Alethea. I have seen you in my comments a whole bunch. I really hope you're doing well. I also want to give a shout out to Alice Colson from Sweden and Iran, so that's really cool. I also want to give a shout out to Shannon Simonet 786. Thank you, Shannon, for being a follower of mine. It means a lot. And I want to give a shout out to Mina_.z. Looks like she's just graduated. Congratulations, Mina. I know that you're here to see some hairstyles, so let's get into it. For the first look, leave your fringe out and then go ahead and take the top half of your hair and loosely twist that into a bun. So I really love this look. I wear it all the time. It's really easy, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. So then I go ahead and I tie that off with a little hair tie. And then I've got these little gold flowers. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to go on cards and things, but I wanted to use it in my hair. Why not? Because it looks super cute. So then I just leave some hair to frame my face. I did do this quickly because I'm making a video, but you guys get the idea of the look. This next look is a little bit more complicated. It's going to be just as cute, but what I need you to do is take about an inch of hair from the front of your face, you see? And then you want to take the rest of your hair away and tie that off so it doesn't get in your way. Like, trust me, this helps. Clip your fringe away, and with the hair that you left out, go ahead and do an inverted braid. I did actually do a tutorial for inverted braids. It's up on my channel. I did it on straight hair, so it's really easy to follow. This is basically what you do. You take 3 strands of hair, and every time that you take a piece under and into the middle, you take another piece of hair with it. But my little adaptation, just to make things even harder for you guys, my little adaptation for this style is to only take a piece of hair in when it comes in from the side that's closest to my face. I really hope that makes sense. So if you see, like, we've got left, middle, right going on here. So every time I take a piece of hair from the left, it takes a piece of hair with it. But when I take a piece of hair from the right, it goes alone. So I just go ahead and I do that right down to my ear. And then once I've got to my ear, then I just finish off that braid like a normal braid. Then I'm going to let down the rest of my hair just like Rapunzel. Rapunzel, let down your hair. And then I'm going to secure it at the back of my head. And I'm going to put in these little flowers. I mean, I told you guys I raided my mum's craft drawer and she had these cute little flowers that I thought were absolutely perfect. So I decided to stick them into my hair. So I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. It's a little inverted French braid. It's very small. Then when it reaches my ear, it just finishes off like a normal braid, and I go ahead and I clip that at the back of my head. And then I go in with the little flowers, and I didn't use any kind of pattern with these. I just used whichever color I felt like. And what I actually do is I just squeeze those underneath the braid, but I do it behind the braid, and it's really secure because the braid holds it in. Showing is better than telling. You guys can see it right there. I think it looks so cute. I also changed my mind about my fringe. I decided I wanted to have like curtains, what do you even call that? Like a center part for my fringe. So that's what I went with. This next look is a really simple adaptation of the previous look. So it's spring, it's summer, it's gonna get hot out, and maybe you guys don't want to wear your hair down. I know I don't really like wearing my hair down on most days, regardless of the weather. I just tied this up into a bun. I used a little grippy clip and some bobby pins just to secure that all in place. I'm gonna take a section of hair above my ear, and then I'm going to get rid of this part of my hair. Ow. Oh, I scratched myself. I can still feel the pain. With this little bit of hair that you left out, you're going to do another little inverted French braid. This is more of a cornrow because it's so small. So this cornrow is going to run from behind your hair towards your face. So you want to make sure that this is really nice and tight and neat because it's going to be left out. It's going to be framing your face. This is important, you guys. I say that, but then I didn't even get it completely right. So you just want to carry on braiding. And then I'm just measuring up based on my eyebrows. This one was like kind of level with my eyebrows, so I did the same thing on the other side because you want this to be level. You know, this is around your face. We want symmetry. So go ahead and do that inverted French braid, cornrow. You guys, you know how to do it yet? Just try to keep up with this little tutorial. And then just finish that braid off. It's so annoying doing these tiny little braids, but if you do use this hairstyle, it's gonna last a while. So take some little gold beads and then put those in your hair if you want to. You don't need these, but I feel like it helps. And then go ahead and take the rest of your hair down. Leave your fringe out again because I'm loving my fringe lately. And then I went ahead and I did another little half up, half down, but I made sure that there's a lot of volume on top of my head. It's kind of a bouffant style. And then I take my grippy clip and I secure my hair there, and I used a few more clips just to hold that in place and make sure the top is really puffy. Because I like this look. It looks kind of like mohawk. Oh yeah, I found another clip in my hair. Let's ignore that. So that is the final look. I feel like it looks kind of punk rockery. It's cool.
Cold winter ends, until spring decides to come again, until flowers they bloom again. Please stay where you are and wait for me. Please wait for me.
Now this next look, because we like to build on previous styles on my channel, we like to make things simple. So you've already done your braids, so you want to switch things up a little bit. You don't want to wear the same hairstyle as yesterday. So we're going to do a sleek little top knot. So I want the top of... Oh my gosh, where did that come from? I'm breeding bobby pins in my hair. So you want to tie this up, but we want this to be sleek. We don't want those bumps. I don't want bumps. I'm gonna have to do this again. Down it comes. You might have to try this a couple of times just before you get this right. So then I'm taking my pintail comb. I'm gonna brush out those bumps so we can get this perfectly sleek. So then go ahead and tie this off again. I find like the trick is not to tie it too tight. If you start tying it too tight, that's when you get bumps. So I decided to leave this as a ponytail. So I'm just gonna take a section of hair out of the ponytail and braid it. More braiding tiny braids, it's so annoying, but it's worth it. So then with this little braid, you're going to go and wrap it around the hair tie and then cover the braid in tiny little gems. Lay your baby hairs to finish off this look, and that is the look. For this look, give yourself a middle parting. You can struggle with it like me. I struggle. Come on, girl. It's not that hard. Okay, I know what I was doing. I was trying to be gentle. I wasn't tugging at my hair. You should do the same. Just gently take your hair apart. And then run that center part all the way to the back. And then you're going to want to section this side off so that it doesn't get in your way. With this side, I'm actually taking some of my Pixie Cream wax, and I'm going to use that just to make sure that I can get a really sleek finish on the ponytail that I'm about to do. So I'm just going to rub that into my hair, and I'm just going to brush it down, I think. Yeah, so I'm just going to comb that down and get it looking nice and smooth. I'm going to leave my bangs out to frame my face, and then I'm going to split my hair in half, and I'm going to tie that nice and high on top of my head. This is kind of half up, half down pigtails. I don't really know what to call this. I used to wear my hair like this all the time when I was younger, but I feel like, you know, 90s revival, 2000s revival, it's still a look. It's a look again. It was not a look for a long time, but now it is again. So, I really need this hair tie. So, does anybody else do that? So go ahead and tie your hair up. Just make sure your parting's looking good. Your boy band curtains are looking good. And that's the look.
우리에게 마지막이야 나 부디 또 만나고 싶으면
This next one is tried and tested, favorite. Guys, my hairline is so weird. So you want to tie your hair up right high on top of your head, nice sleek ponytail. Spin it around a bit, wiggle your eyebrows a bit, and then you want to lay your baby hairs down a bit because obviously I messed it up from the last time I did it. But this whole look is about looking really sleek. And I actually wear this all the time. Like, some people don't even know that I've got a whole bunch of curly hair because they only see me with my hair like this. But you know what? It's protective. It looks nice. So I'm gonna keep doing it. So the way that I do it is I tie it up and then I twist it around and then I use bobby pins just to secure it in place. And I always have this bit of hair at the back as well that I always just bobby pin down. It's kind of a lazy way of doing it. But then I have these sunflowers, and no, these are not craft sunflowers, these are actual hair accessories. Then I pop them into the bun for a nice little summertime look. If you don't want bees to attack you, then you can take them out, but I thought it looked kind of cute, and it's okay if you're indoors. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the hairstyles. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it just really helps me out. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get this channel to 100,000 subscribers, and there will be a giveaway when I get there. Join the summer squad and help me make that happen. Thanks again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.